What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are working on something that I should have been working on from like day one since I got this problem, but we're finally doing it. We are working on the fender rolling. So here, let me show you real quick. So we got about a 1/4 inch lip back here. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the edge of the car, and it goes all the way back to right there. So it's about this much. It's about that much. So we got a fender roller from Amazon, probably like about like 40 bucks, something like that. 40 to 50 bucks. So instead of, you know, paying 200 bucks to do all four, pay like 50 bucks to do it yourself. If you want. If not, you can pay somebody. But I haven't shown you guys the back here. So this is our camber control arm or something like that. So this one actually is adjustable, and we have another one on the other side. So right now what we're gonna do is, I have the key gun right here. We're gonna heat up pretty much this part, and then what I'm gonna try and do is with like a rubber mallet or something, tap this so we can get it to pretty much bend a little bit backwards. So all we do with this, it just kind of flat it out instead of running into the risk of cracking our paint, which, I mean, it's already messed up, but we don't want to overdo it. So what we're gonna do is hit this with rubber mallet, heat it up first, hit it with rubber mallet, then come back with this and roll that one. We also have this side we have to do. Good thing we don't have to do the front ones, those are fine. It's just this back one's something a little bit more clearance, because if you can see, where is it at? Right here. So you guys can see right here, all this is just my tire touching the fender well, and you can see it more right here. It's cutting out through the focus. It's cutting through the numbers and stuff. So I think this will be one of the major changes that we're gonna do to the car. I mean, it's not a big change, but it goes a long way. Puns. So I think we just need to roll the fenders, get the alignment, then run the car in the freeway so we can pretty much get the smoke check by tomorrow, hopefully. I have to run like 100 miles, so in the morning I'm just gonna zoom as far as possible. Probably gonna take somebody with me, I don't know yet. But first things first, we gotta roll the fenders. Alright, so you guys can see right here, I didn't end up completely bending it because this part right here, they're both connected with the side skirt. So we just kind of like taper off a little bit, and right here there's like a little bump and stuff. It's not completely straight, but on the sun and for what we need it right now, which is just to do the alignment, that should be fine. I also went out and got a rubber mallet, extension cord, and now we're gonna do the other side, which is the driver rear side. So this one is pretty much done. There's still a little bit of like a lip right here, but it's nothing that we can fix with a little bit of love, you know. So let's go and fix the other side. Alright guys, so just finished the other side. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but just finished this side right here. And I even squished my finger. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, right here. Squished my finger with between this top part right here and then the top part right here. Sure hurt, but damn it, son. Come on, son. Alright, So I'm trying to show you guys the taper. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it right here. See how it goes straight but then it starts bending to the side. Then the whole wall right here. So that's how you fender roll. It's not hard. It just takes about, I don't know, it depends on how many sides you're gonna do, but normally it takes about like an hour per side. At least for me, it took me an hour each one. So I thought this was coming out. You can see a little gap, but we just gotta wash the car now, put back the rams, and fix that fender. I want to get some aero, or not aero, what is it called? All I can think of Street Legends, but that's by Dustin Williams. It's not what I'm thinking. I think his name is Dustin Williams. I don't know, but the one that I'm thinking is Battle Arrow. There you go. It's not Street Legends. Fuck. It's Street Fighter or something like that. It's a full body kit, but I don't really need the whole body kit. I only need the fenders. So I'll look around. What else? Oh, we gotta fix this stuff as well. So right now that I have the heat gun, what I'm actually gonna do is unglue this whole thing, and you guys can kind of see where it's coming off right there. So it's not holding on to anything. So what I'm gonna do is heat this up and take it off. I'm not gonna put it back today, but I will try to put it back in a couple days, just so we can put a new like tape. And talking about tape and stickers and stuff, we need to take off these stickers. This is the one from Japan. I don't know if you guys remember. This one's, I got them by the shop. This one I got it from Juice, Vape Juice. And then on this side, this one's already coming off too. One of my favorite stickers. It's by Cause. Then you got the YouTube. Subscribe, by the way. You guys can see me right there. Subscribe. And then Astro Boy. We also need to take out the Night Collectors one, because I'm thinking of putting a straight banner at the top. And then what we're gonna do is move the idea from the front of the Night Collectors, but put something else back here that says Croox, or black out this. And whenever I need to fix this, to be honest, I don't have a light bulb on this, but black it out and then just have like a red film on the back of the tinted one, or the tint one, so then whenever it shines red. But I don't know, we're still trying to figure it out. Slowly but surely we'll get this car going. But that's pretty much it for rolling a fender. There's nothing much to it. That was gonna be scary, or not really scary, but I thought it was gonna mess something up. The only thing that happens, like, there's a few cracks or chip from the paint. I'm gonna come back and put a anti-rust, just, you know, a spray or whatever. But it is what it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment actually what else you guys want to see in the channel, so I can get some ideas of, you know, what you want to see, and subscribe. But with that being said, peace out.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit, peace. Love is love.